Hello everyone, this is Progress FS speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel and if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned for more educative videos. This is our usual weekly gold analysis. So like I said last week, I told you that there will be a strong bull on gold, and certainly it's worked out. I also told you that there will be a fractal confirmation on this candlestick, and there was, which buttressed this strong bull on this last week candlestick. So like I posted in all our social media platforms on the possible display, which happened exactly how I said it. Let us go to 4 hours and 1 hour time frame to also see the possible gold prices for this week. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. Do not forget, I used to leave this analysis the way it is to see if it is going to play out exactly or if there will be adjustment, because like I said, I adjust according to the prices in the market and not just being static and expect the market to do what I want. If I analyze the market and the prices keep adjusting, then I will find out at the end where there is an adjustment. So which was the reason why I modified this chart last week. So you will always find it like this every new week until it finishes playing out as expected. So let's go to 4 hours time frame and of course 1 hour time frame to see what is going to happen in the market this week. So as usual, you don't expect TradingView to display like MT4 or MT5. Sometimes when you go to a smaller time frame or a bigger time frame from smaller time frame, the chart always gets scattered, so you have to be the one to adjust it. So here, still trying to adjust it better. So you will see something at this place. And this is a very important thing. So I told you about a divergence on gold last week. So when you see this place, you will find a very strong, using trend line, divergence on gold. So this divergence is very important. With this divergence, we will also like to mark the upper side of the divergence to see what it looks like. So on the price of gold, so here I want you to understand something. This is 4 hours time frame, yeah. So formally last week it was here, but on the last 2 weeks it was here, and last week it developed a new higher high for the Monday trading week. So at this point, we also have to apply another trend line for the current trend. Let me use arrow line for it. So this is the arrow line for the current trend. And if you should apply another one for the downside, so this is what you are going to get. So at this point, there's something significant that is going to happen. Whichever way it does, there are places to notice, and these are this area. Let me also apply a shape or a horizontal line, probably because the chart is almost getting a bit dirty, but the dirtier it is, the more understandable it is. So this horizontal line, I should have used this instead, but then it's fine. This horizontal line, as you can see, placed on the 1934 is very significant. Why? Because Friday last week, as you can see here, this point that I placed this, or probably I should zoom it. There is a, or do I say there was a demand here on the last 2 weeks Friday, but because the market closed, it could not carry out the reason for this demand. When the market opened on 4 hours time frame, the demand came back. The market has its attitude of repeating almost the same thing when the market closed for the day or for the week. So it developed another demand which gave it the strength to bullish up for the last week in 4 hours time frame. So the expectation is, since the gold price was not able to get to where the this place that the divergence started. Let's apply another. Let me not use shape. Let me use a horizontal line as well. This is where the point where the divergence started. So for the H4 time frame, when you look at this line and this line, they are the divergence line. Then this line indicates the impulse correction reversal moving uptrend. Then this line indicates where the divergence started, a possible place where the price of gold was supposed to get to last week. But unfortunately, it could not, because it have gotten to the trend line here. And of course, we have to do a retracement and continue going up. So how will it going to do the retracement immediately the market opens? Let us go to 1 hour time frame and see the possibility. So right now and here, there is something significant too, and that is how the market often behaves. So in this trend, two trend lines, which I used arrow line to apply for possible visualization, there is something gold is going to do, because it often does that. Not always, but often does that. So when the market opens, there is possibility for gold to go up to this trend line to retest it again before coming down. But the most important something is that there is no how it will get to this 1982 before coming down. But market can be crazy. It may not. But I don't see the possibility personally for the market to go straight to this 1982 before retracing back. But I expect a possible retracement that is going to be something like this, from this point to retest this trend line again, and then it comes back to this point. That is possibly, I am not being sure or certain, but one thing we must be aware of is that it is going to test this 1935 demand area on a possible note, or there will be something like this arrow line. The price is just going to retrace a bit, not breaking the last sideways or resistance area it developed. So possibly this is what we should initially expect from the market, and then when it comes back to the 1934-35 area, it is going to, of course, form a kind of M format. It is normal for it to always do this. So if the W format, if the W format was not able to break this trend line, the second wing of the W format is not able to break the second wing of this format, then we will expect a very strong bullish candlestick, which will meet this 1982 or thereabout. But whichever way, let's keep the fingers crossed while we expect the market to do as expected coming this week. So guys, this is what I think the gold market is going to do. In the future time, there is also the highest expectation of gold, which I'm going to show us. I have seen it, but I can't say it now because it's still a long-term expectation. So, but right now, on a shortest note, this is what gold is likely to do this coming week. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned for more educative videos. Thank you and bye for now.